Hey, what's up? This is Sean with Halt Trade Alert. At the end of the workday, you ever look at the stock market and then see what stocks are moving, and you see something like this, and you're like, "I wish I received an alert on my phone that would have let me know that there's a potential for this kind of move in the stock." Well, that's exactly what my software did today. So check this out. The first Halt Trade Alert was sent out at 9:41 a.m. and the last price was 7:08. So this is what the Halt Trade Alert looked like. So there's a few things to notice about the Halt Trade Alerts. We'll go into this more in other videos, but it gives the Halt time, issue symbol. The reason code, LUDP in this case, means it's a volatility halt. And volatility halts are only good between, they are only issued at between 9:30 a.m. and then 4 p.m. A few other things worth noting is the market cap, the current volume, the relative volume. Shares outstanding is actually pretty important as well. So the lower the shares outstanding and float are, the more volatile it is. So if it's under 20 million, it could be pretty volatile. Under 10 million, it could be more volatile. If it's under 1 million, it can definitely make a pretty big move. And also the fact that this company has under 1 million float probably indicates a reverse stock split. So this will come up later on. Check this out. So this is what the text alert will look like. So, or the halt alert. The first one in this example, the top shows it's a text, and then the next two are from the Halt Trade Alert Discord server. You can see the middle one is the actual halt alert with preview on, and the bottom one is a real-time news catalyst alert. So today is the GLMD example, and a quick recap about me. I'm an aerospace engineer, and I developed on the side some stock market code. Basically, sends alerts to my phone. It's allowed me to make some decent trades over the few years. And here's a few examples. And getting back to what the alerts look like. So the top one again is a text, and then the bottom two are what the halt alerts and real-time news catalyst alerts look like. So it's actually how you set up your notifications in your phone and on the Discord on the app, so you can get these alerts to show up just like a text. So going back to this example, GLMD, here was the alert that was sent out at 9:41 a.m. So once you get that alert, you can look at the characterizations of it and be like, you know what, I want to check it out. So a lot of alerts that you get throughout the day, you're just going to immediately dismiss. That's why the alert grabs this other information, such as market cap, volume, shares outstanding, so that you can get the alert, look at it, dismiss it immediately. Or you can be like, you know what, I want to look at this a little bit further. So in this case, here's some good examples of, characteristics rather of what to look for, including the shares outstanding, the percentage change for the day, last price, and et cetera. So you can look at different things if you want to. But once you get that alert, it gives you basically an idea. You know what? Let me take a look at this on my trading platform. So on the trading platform, you can see, okay, well, this is the third top gainer pre-market. Okay, I got this alert at 9:41. All right, well, here's what the pre-market chart looks like for the 5-minute chart. Okay. And then on top of that, look at the news real quick. So every time you get a halt alert, every time there's a halt, it's a 5-minute minimum halt before trading resumes. And it could be 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It's in 5-minute increments. And so you have plenty of time to do a little bit of research if you want to. In this case, look at the news. You can see that 20 days ago or so, approximately, they had a reverse stock split, which is the reason why you have such reduced um, shares outstanding and float. So under 1 million, again, is very low. So what's the recent catalyst for the news that made it move today? The only thing I could find is that they just had a PR saying that they regained NASDAQ compliance. Not exactly a big deal, in my opinion, but it doesn't take much. And if everyone starts trading it, then it'll make some big moves given the characteristics such as low float and other things we mentioned before. So again, if you get a halt trade alerts, something similar to this, and you find value in something like this, then check us out at halttradealert.com. And yeah, so let's make some money and good luck.